Hi DIYers, Joe here from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about what value there is in having a LYNX panel installed in your home without monitoring on it. First, I'm going to just go over some of the more common panels that you may run into. There are other versions of these panels out there that look similar. Some are a little bit different, and most of them can be monitored by an alarm company. First one that we're going to look at is called the L3000. This is a much older panel than the newer ones. As you can see, it has an LCD screen on the top, physical buttons on the bottom, built-in siren in the unit. If you do see one of these panels, it's very recommended to upgrade it to a new one, as a lot of the features on this are pretty dated and you're not going to get the functionality that you're really looking for with all the new stuff that's out. The next panel that is the most common is the L5210. This is an upgraded version of the L5000. It has a 4.5-inch touchscreen. It has a built-in siren. You can integrate Z-Wave devices with this system. It supports Wi-Fi and cellular, and it's a great system to use. If you do see this panel in your home or apartment when you move into it, I do recommend checking it out and seeing if it works for you, because it's a perfectly functional panel. The next panel up in line in the LYNX line is the L7000. This panel has a 7-inch touchscreen. It looks very similar to the L5210, and it has a lot of the same functionality. It can support more users, more zones, and more Z-Wave devices. Again though, if you do see either of these panels in the home and you want to stick with it, they're going to work perfectly fine for you. If you don't, the recommended panel to upgrade to would be the Lyric, which is kind of the successor to the LYNX line. Going over these panels though, really, if you have an area that you want to monitor and you want a local alarm, what a local alarm is, it means that the system itself will go off and sound a siren when it detects a burglary, a CO, or a fire alarm, depending on what devices you have on the system. That's pretty much what it'll do. It's really useful if you have a detached garage, a home that you want to get monitored but you don't want to spend the money, or a home that you want to monitor for an alarm but you don't want to spend the money on remote monitoring, or any location such as that. One of the benefits that you have with the newer LYNX panels is that you can download an app called LYNX Connect from the store, and you can connect to it via a smartphone or tablet right over your local Wi-Fi. So it adds a little functionality to it even without alarm monitoring. Keep in mind that all these panels are Total Connect 2.0 compatible, and we do support any of them with our monitoring plans. So if you do have one and you do want to get it monitored, it's certainly an option. Thank you for visiting today. If you did like the video, click subscribe, and if you do want to get notified for future videos, hit the notification button and you'll get an update whenever we publish a new one. Thanks for visiting and have a great day.